You ask Tiger to solve. This deals with linear equations with one unknown. The final result is x equals -10/3. Let's solve it step by step. Simplify the expression. Multiply the fractions. Expand the parentheses. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the arithmetic. Break up the fraction. Simplify the fraction. Group like terms. Convert the integer into a fraction. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group all L terms on the left side of the equation. Subtract 3x/4 from both sides. Group like terms. Group the coefficients. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Group like terms. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Group all constants on the right side of the equation. Add 3/10 to both sides. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Reduce the zero numerator. Simplify the arithmetic. Find the lowest common denominator. Multiply the denominators. Multiply the numerators. Combine the fractions. Combine the numerators. Find the greatest common factor of the numerator and denominator. Factor out and cancel the greatest common factor. Isolate the L. Multiply both sides by inverse fraction 20/9. Group like terms. Multiply the coefficients. Simplify the fraction. Multiply the fractions. Simplify the arithmetic. And so the final result is x equals -10/3.